Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see about millimeters and centimeters. Next, millimeters. Length in millimeters. The millimeter is another unit of length. What is the length? What is the unit of length? Millimeter. We have seen unit of length as kilometer also. We have several units for length. So millimeter is also the another unit of length. We can write millimeter as mm. Everybody is using scale. In scale, we have 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 15 lines in small scale. So between 0 to 1, how many lines are present? So 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 10 mini lines are there. So we can call it as 10 millimeter. Look at here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 0 to 1 is considered as 1 centimeter. Between 1 centimeter, how many microlines are there? 10 lines. So we call this as millimeter. So how many millimeter lines? 10. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. We can write centimeter as cm and millimeter as mm. According to the question, we have to fill the correct suitable answer. The length of my ruler is about 15. Ruler is always 15 centimeter. We have to write here a centimeter. Then next question is the length of a paper clip is 30. Paper clip. Paper clip means it will be very little, right? So the length of a paper clip is 30. For little paper clip, we can use only millimeters. So length of a paper clip is 30 millimeter. Next, a basketball hoop is about 2 dash tall. So meter or kilometer? We can measure it using meter scale itself. So meter. The distance from the swimming pool to the park is about, it takes more distance from swimming pool to park. So 5 kilometers. So in like that, according to the sentence, we have to fill the unit, right? Next, expressing centimeters and millimeters in meters. Look at here. The width of the book is 1 centimeter 3 millimeters. What is the width in millimeters? We have to convert centimeter also to millimeter. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So we have to convert 1 centimeter as 10 millimeter. After conversion, we have to add this 10 millimeter with 3 millimeter. So 10 plus 3 is 13 millimeter. Therefore, the width of the book is 13 millimeters. Express in millimeters. 5 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Instead of 1, we have 5. So here also instead of 1, we have to change it as 5. So 5 centimeter is equal to 50 millimeter. Look at here, 7 centimeters given. Instead of 7 centimeter, we can write it as 70 millimeter. So 70 plus 3, 73. So we got the answer as 73 millimeter. 66 centimeter 4 millimeter is given in next problem. We have to convert it as millimeter. 6 centimeter is equal to 60 millimeter. 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. So 64 millimeter. Next, here 8 centimeter is there in next problem. So 8 centimeter will be converted to 8 millimeter, 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter plus 2 millimeter is equal to 82 millimeter. Hope you all understood. Next, expressing millimeters in centimeters and millimeters. Now what we have to do? We have to convert millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. A paper clip is 32 millimeters long. What is its length in centimeters and millimeters? Here 32 millimeter is given. We have to convert 32 millimeter as centimeter and meter. Separate 32 as 30 plus 2. So 30 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. We can write 30 millimeter as 3 centimeter because 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Instead of 1 we have 3. So 30 means we have to write here 1 as 3 centimeter. 30 millimeter is equal to 3 centimeter. We have to add 3 centimeter with 2 millimeter. So 3 centimeter plus 2 millimeter is equal to 3 centimeter 2 millimeter. The length of the paper clip is 3 centimeter 2 millimeter. Let's do. We have few problems in let's do part. Express in centimeters and millimeters. 60 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? 60 millimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. By using the formula, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Instead of 1 we have 60. So in here also instead of 1 we have to write it as 6. So 60 millimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. Similarly we have to write here also. 56 is given, so we have to separate it as 50 plus 6 millimeter. So 50 millimeter is equal to 5 centimeter and we have to write 6 millimeter as it is. 75 millimeter should be written as 70 plus 5. So 70 millimeter is written as 7 and 5 will be written as it is 5 millimeter. 34 millimeter can be written as 84 millimeter can be written as 80 plus 5. 84 millimeter can be written as 80 plus 4. 80 millimeter is equal to 8 centimeter and we have to write 4 millimeter as it is. So in this way we have to do the conversion of unit from millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. Next we have to arrange the lengths in order, begins with the longest. Here what we have to do, first we have to check the units. Here centimeter, millimeter is given, here also centimeter, millimeter is given, here millimeter only given, here also millimeter only given. So if the values are in same unit, then only we can find the arrangement easily. So we have to convert either centimeter millimeter to millimeter or millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. Let me convert millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. So 50 millimeter is equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter plus 6 millimeter. And 65 millimeter can be written as 60 plus 5. So 6 centimeter 5 millimeter. Now all the values are of same unit. So from these values we have to find the longest value first. Look at the centimeter values. 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So which value has the longest value in centimeters? 6 and 6. Here also 6, here also 6. These two values are same in centimeter. So we have to move to millimeter. 6 millimeter, 5 millimeter. So from 6 and 5, which is the longest? 6. So we have to write 6 centimeter, 6 millimeter as first. Okay. Then this is the second one. 6 centimeter, 5 millimeter. After these two, we have to move to next values. Here also 5 in centimeter, here also 5 in centimeter. These two are same, so we have to move to millimeter values. Here 18 millimeter, here 6 millimeter. So from these two, which is the longest? 18. So we have to write the third value as 5 centimeter, 18 millimeter. The next is 5 centimeter, 6 millimeter. So hope you all understand this. Adding and subtracting centimeters and millimeters. So we have to add or subtract centimeter and millimeter values. Rosa has 2 magnets. The red magnet is 2 centimeters 9 millimeters long. The blue magnet is 5 centimeters 3 millimeters long. What is the total length of Rosa's magnets? Total means we have to add the two values. So let me see how to add the two values. We have to add these two values together. We have two methods to do addition and subtraction. Let me see first method. 2 centimeter 9 millimeter will be added with 5 centimeter first. Then we have to move to next millimeter. So 5 centimeter should be added with centimeter value. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So we have to write 7 centimeter 9 millimeter as it is. Then we have to add millimeter value with millimeter. 7 centimeter will be left as it is. Here we have to add millimeter and millimeter. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 7 centimeter 12 millimeter as we got the answer. From 12 millimeter, if the value crosses 10 millimeter, then that should be converted to centimeter. That which means we have to write 12 as 10 plus 2 millimeter. Okay. Now 10 millimeter should be converted as 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So we can write 10 millimeter as 1 centimeter. So if you change this as 1 centimeter, we can write 7 centimeter plus 1 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter, which look at here. In this way we have to do it. So we have to add this. 7 plus 1 is 8. We have to write 2 millimeter as it is. 8 centimeter 2 millimeter. Let me see second method. Method 2. 2 centimeter 9 millimeter. We can change centimeter as millimeter, then we can add it. 2 centimeter is equal to 20 millimeter. Here 20 millimeter. So 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. So keep 29 millimeter as it is. Then change next value. 5 centimeter 3 millimeter 2 millimeter. 5 centimeter is equal to 50 millimeter. So 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. It was done over here. So 53. Now add millimeter values. 29 plus 53 is 82. Now convert 82 millimeter as centimeter and millimeter. How we have to separate this? 80 plus 2 millimeter. Now 80 millimeter is equal to 8 centimeter, and we have to write 2 millimeter as it is. Whenever we will get the value after 10, then we have to change that as centimeter from millimeter. Okay, therefore the total length of Rosa's magnet is 8 centimeter 2 millimeters. How much longer is the blue magnet than the red magnet? Than means we have to do subtraction. Okay, so we have to subtract these two values. We have to subtract 2 centimeter 9 millimeter from 5 centimeter 3 millimeter to get the longer value. Okay, so 5 centimeter minus 3 millimeter. First method, we have to subtract 2 centimeter value with 5 centimeter as first step. So 5 centimeter 3 millimeter minus 2 centimeter. So we have to subtract centimeter values first. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we got 3 centimeter 3 millimeter. Then we have to subtract 9 millimeter. 3 millimeter minus 9 millimeter. Can you do it? 3 is smaller than 9, so we cannot subtract it. So we have to get another value from centimeter. Separate 3 centimeter as 2 plus 1. So keep 2 centimeter as it is, and to 1 centimeter will be converted to millimeter. So how you convert? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So we have to add 10 millimeter. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 millimeter. Therefore 2 centimeter 13 millimeter. Now we have to subtract 9 millimeter easily. 13 minus 9 is 4 millimeter. Therefore we got the answer as 2 centimeter 4 millimeter. 5 centimeter 3 millimeter minus 2 centimeter 9 millimeter will be subtracted after conversion of centimeter to millimeter. Okay, you have to convert centimeter to millimeter. 5 centimeter is equal to 50 millimeter. So millimeter. So we have to add these two. 50 plus 3 53. Convert 2 centimeter as 20 millimeter. So 20 plus 9 29. Now you have to subtract these two. 53 minus 29. Okay, 24 millimeter. 53 minus 29 is 24 millimeter. Now we have to convert millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. Separate 24 as 20 plus 4 millimeter. Write 20 millimeter as 2 centimeter and keep 4 millimeter as it is. Therefore we got the answer as the blue magnet is 2 centimeters 4 millimeters longer than the red magnet. First problem, 3 centimeter 3 millimeter plus 4 millimeter. We can use another method also. First we have to write centimeter and leave one finger gap, then write millimeter. in first value before plus centimeter and millimeter is there, so under centimeter we have to write 3. Instead of millimeter we have to write 3. Then plus is given, so we have to write plus in next line. After plus, do we have any centimeter value? No. So we have to put 0 if any value is not given for centimeter after plus. Do we have any millimeter value? Yes, 4 is there. So under millimeter we have to write 4. Now we have to add these two values. 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 0, 3. Therefore we got the answer as 3 centimeter 7 millimeter. In this way also we can do addition. Okay, subtraction. Subtraction is as same as addition. Let me see. 8 centimeter means below centimeter we have to write 8. Then millimeter is also given in before minus, so we have to write 9 in the same line. Then minus is given, write minus in the next line. Then 1 centimeter 6 millimeter is given, so write 1 under centimeter and 6 under millimeter. Now we have to subtract these two values. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 1, 7. Therefore we got 7 centimeter 3 millimeter. So in this way also we can do subtraction.
Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you, my dear kids.